All right, a couple days ago I promised a video on slope and the notes that we took in class Monday. So if you're still struggling with slope, hopefully this will clear things up and it'll hopefully tie up the notes that we took in class. Okay, we're going to try chalkboard today. Okay, first thing we talked about was when we have an equation set up in the y is equal to mx plus b. So we have y is equal to mx plus b, right? We have that equation, okay? So when we're talking about this problem here, this value here, this number that's attached to the x, okay, so how to find the slope first. The number attached to the x is the slope. Sometimes that's a fraction, sometimes that's a whole number, sometimes that's a decimal, but that is the slope of the line. So if we have some problem y is equal to 5x plus 7, my slope is 5. Okay, in other words, for every step I take, I go up 5. Okay? The next thing we talked about is the y-intercept. When it's set up in y is equal to mx plus b format, this number here, this b, this number that doesn't have a variable attached to it, the constant, that's the y-intercept. Okay, so this is the number without a variable attached. And as I talked about in class, I don't remember if I'm spelling attached right, but you get the picture. Okay, so when we have an equation and it's set up in the y is equal to mx plus b format, this is how we find the slope and the y-intercept. So here, this is the y-intercept, this is the slope. If we just look at this format, this is the slope, that's the y-intercept. Okay, so that hopefully should tie up that piece. All right, I'll do a table next. I'll post that one separate, so hopefully we'll be able to not go over the 5-minute mark, otherwise they yell at me. All right, thanks.